Hi, my name is Paul Stefchik, and the name of my company is Sign Installer. What I do is wholesale sign installations for all the local sign shops here in Seattle, Kirkland, and Bellevue. What I've learned is there is a need for sign installations for all the local sign shops. One thing that I do specialize in is tall building installations. As you can see, I'm harnessed up. We climb down a rope and install banners, die-bond signs, and other signs that are necessary. One need for using the ropes is because of the landscape. You cannot get lifts in and other heavy equipment in there to install the signs. We're up about 6 stories, and we're installing a 40 by 60 foot banner on the side of the building. I have a full-size E250 van and about $15,000 in tools to handle any non-electrical sign installation. Thank you very much.